Looking for the best non-stick pans? In this video we look at some of the top 3 non-stick pans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. COTEY, non-stick skillet with stone-derived coating. Pros: a great set that would be an asset in any kitchen. Efficient and safe German technology that is PFOA and APO-free. Made of hard anodized aluminium that's extra durable. Guaranteed to be scratch resistant and toxin free. Quick and even heat hat allows for better temperature control while cooking. Compatible with all stovetops and ovens up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe. Cons: some issues with the handles have been reported. Bottom line: a practical and eco-friendly choice. At number 2. Utopia Kitchen, aluminium alloy non-stick frying pan. Pros: made from thick gauge aluminium with scratch resistant dual non-stick coating. Designed for quick heat distribution. The Bakelite handle is riveted firmly to the pan and ergonomically designed. Induction friendly. Great versatility for multi-purpose cooking. The long handle design is great for easy movements while cooking. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Cons: the wood handle is less durable than other materials. Bottom line: a hidden diamond in a bargain package. At number 1. Ailwyn, non-stick deep frying pan with lid. Pros: German technology ultra non-stick coating. Features a unique design and a unique color. The depth of the pan and lid included offers more versatility, making it great for many types of dishes. Free of APO and PFOA. Healthier meals because it needs less oil. Made to be durable and incorporates anti-warping elements so it won't deform. Better heat transfer and induction compatible. Cons: only available in bright blue. Bottom line: top technology in a beautiful form. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.